We all know job market is flooded with Selenium jobs. There is no doubt that demand of Selenium is increasing year by year. The average salary of a Selenium tester is $97,500 per year. Is it amazing? Yes. Today I am going to discuss, can I directly learn Selenium without learning software testing basics or manual testing? Hello everyone. I am Taran. I am founder of Part2Shine. I have more than 10 years of experience in software testing training in corporates. Now I have started my own company, Part2Shine, in which I help students to learn software testing and also to get job in software testing. And I am running different batches of software testing. For more information about the next batch, please click on the link mentioned below. Now come to the topic. Many of my students ask, ma'am, can I directly learn Selenium and apply for the job as I don't know manual testing? The answer to this question is a strict no. If you straight away learn Selenium and apply to the job, no company will hire you, first of all. And the concepts of your software testing or the basics concept of software testing will be very weak, that you will not be successful in Selenium. So there is a learning path which I advise every one of my students when they enter into software testing line. First of all, they should be expertise in manual testing. They should learn manual testing from a very well institute. And after learning manual testing, then they should surely do 2 to 3 projects during internship or any other freelancing website. And in my trainings, I also do live training of a project. It will also count in their resume. After that, after learning manual testing and after doing manual testing projects, then surely they should apply for a job in a big company, and then they can plan to learn Selenium. And after learning Selenium, the career of any student is evergreen, because Selenium is such a high demand job that its value or its demand is increasing year by year. So what are you waiting for? Enroll today in my upcoming batch, which is starting on next Monday, that is 28th of June at 7 p.m. Only few seats are left in this batch, and I have kept the maximum number of seats as 15, as I want to give individual attention to every of my students. So click on the link below and reserve your seat. See you in live training. Thank you.